Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL300 exam series. This is your host, Apka Consultant, bringing you episode number 29. As you have already see that I am preparing this series for all of you to prepare for this prestigious exam of PL 300 of Microsoft Power BI. So those of you who have not watched this series, I request you to watch the playlist. The link will pop up right here. You can watch all the previous 28 episodes on this channel where I have covered different topics specifically. So you can watch those videos and prepare along with me. So yeah, that being said, let's jump to question number 29 on the topic data security groups in Power BI. So the question is a case study question and it's a bit a long, so just bear with me. Let's see. A rapidly growing enterprise in the technology sector is adopting Power BI to fulfill its analytics and insights needs. The solution will be deployed across various departments, including product development, human resources, marketing, and finance, to provide extensive analytics capabilities. There are significant concerns regarding data and report access throughout the company. A pilot program with the marketing department will be initiated to evaluate the proposed Power BI setup, security protocols, and administration practices prior to a broader implementation. So the existing environment is the company has implemented Microsoft 365 for its operational framework. Azure AD security groups are employed for managing access controls. Microsoft 365 groups facilitate collaboration among team members. The data sources are the pilot with the marketing department will primarily utilize Excel spreadsheets as the data source. Following the pilot, the company intends to incorporate a variety of data sources, including cloud hosted SQL databases, CRM systems, API based data streams, a popular CRM platform. So, the report development is a specialized team of data analysts will undertake the creation of reports and dashboards. Their responsibilities encompass data loading, transformation, cleansing, modeling, and dataset creation for organization wide utilization. The goal is for changes implemented by the development team to be automatically rolled out to end users. The security requirements are development team members must be restricted from accessing live production data and corresponding reports and dashboards. Developers should not have access to production level reports and dashboards. Non developer business users are to be restricted from accessing development data or assets. Certain reports and dashboards need to be exclusively accessible by the executive leadership team. Excel files used for reporting should be accessible only within their respective workspaces. Access to data should be confined to the relevant department for all users. Marketing department members are to have access solely to data pertinent to their specific market or region. Reports and dashboards for any department should be accessible only by business users within that department. Business users won't be allowed to edit, create, or modify reports and dashboards. Executive leadership, often not part of the company's network, requires access to specific reports and dashboards remotely. So you are tasked with setting up a development environment for creating reports. What should be specified during the setup of this workspace? So the option one is a link to a cloud storage service directory. Option two, the identifier of a collaboration group within Microsoft 365. Option C, a Power BI project file. Option D, the identifier of a directory security group. I know this is a long case study question. You can go through each and every slide. What is the detail given in the question, what is the existing environment, data sources, security requirements, and think what should be the option for this question which is correct. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video here for 15 seconds. You can think what is the solution. Your time starts now. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what is the solution. So it's option D, the identifier of a directory security group. So basically you can use this setup by setting by setting up this workspace. You can create security groups with identifiers you can allocate to each of the different members from different BU which is asked from the question. So yeah, let's look at the overall explanation. Basically, this slide talks about the Azure AD security groups, as they are used for managing access control within the company. You can pause the video. You can go through each and every information given in this slide, specifically to the integration with Microsoft 365, separation of environments, etc. The slide 2 talks about obviously the identifier of collaboration is possible with this AD security group, and it's a primary concern, right? So yeah, that uh, is more specifically on this topic. I hope there is no Power BI demo report on this file, because it generally it is theoretical topic. So I request you to go through this information in this slide and prepare for this topic. And talking about the resources, as again I'm leveraging this course from Udemy titled Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, and this topic comes under manage and secure Power BI data assets. So yeah, that being said, this covers today's topic on uh, data sources security groups in Power BI. I hope you like the content, and I will look forward to see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching.